Hello, welcome to the Guitar Way. If you're passionate about guitar, music, sound healing, frequencies, spirituality, sacred geometry, the mysteries of life, and how they all connect, well, then you're in the right place. So what can you expect from this channel? Well, I've taken some notes. If you don't mind, I'll look at those to make sure I'm covering them as thoroughly as possible. So first, I'm going to do weekly tutorials and provide insights into guitar at beginning, intermediate, and advanced levels to help you unlock the potential of the guitar. But also, it's not just the guitar, it's the guitar as it affects you, as it affects your energy centers, your chakras. We're going to be talking about all 7 chakras, probably starting with the root chakra, the Muladhara, and just the idea that, okay, every guitar player, most beginning, you play the C chord. Boom, okay, C, well, what is that? Well, it relates to your chakras because C is the typical foundational note. It's vibrating, the C note is vibrating at 261 hertz, which is associated with the root chakra, the Muladhara. So there's just things like that we're going to talk about that are not typical from guitar instruction channels. This is definitely, we're on the fringe here. So, I love guitar. Guitar is my thing. I've been playing guitar for 50 years, a little bit more than that. So am I an expert on guitar? No, I'm not saying that. I'm not saying I'm the greatest guitar player, but I've had time to develop some insights and, really I'm starting to try to really reconcile everything that's happened throughout my life and how that applies spiritually and how I can evolve and how I can advance. So I'm taking you on that journey with me if you want to go, and hopefully we can all have a good time. Are you ready to transform your music and your spirituality, your guitar playing, your understanding of all these things and the interrelationship of frequencies, sound, your energy channels, your chakras, and we can go on and on and on. That's the thing. It's never ending. If you're bored, you're never going to be bored with music. Every day you'll find something new. Literally, I've been playing for a long time, 50 years plus. Every time I touch the guitar, I find something new. How is that even possible? How have I not exhausted all the possibilities? Well, you're never close. The possibilities are endless. So if you're ready to go on this journey with me, subscribe to the channel and let's get started.